as we have seen what is velocity potential function and streamline function and those relationship between its velocities. Now let us just combine both the equation to form an one equation. So let us write down equation of streamline function and velocity potential function. Now velocity potential function is denoted by phi, and that is defined as dou phi by dou x is equals to minus u, and dou phi by dou y is equals to minus v. Now let us go to streamline functions. Streamline functions are denoted by psi, and dou by dou x of psi will give you v, and dou by dou y of psi will give you minus u. Now let us substitute one equation in terms of another and let us evaluate those values. We already know that minus u is equals to dou by dou y of psi as well as dou by dou x of phi. So let us combine these two equations. Now what do we get over here by combining these two equations? That is dou psi by dou x, dou phi by dou x rather, is equals to dou psi by dou y. That is the first equation. And the next combination will be doing these two values, that is combining v over here. So what do we get over here is dou phi by dou y is equals to minus of dou psi by dou x. Now we have combined these two equations into one format that gives us relationship between phi and psi. Now over here these two equations you have already studied in maths. They are called as Cauchy-Riemann equations. So you differentiate one with respect to x, then it will give you with respect to y. I hope you have understood what is relationship between velocity potential function and streamline function. Thank you.